Welcome to the unlucky 13th edition of Drivers That Suck at Cleaning Snow Off Their Cars.
What? What are you translating it from? Like, it's not like the original. It's not like they're going back and they have to get a guy who speaks Aramaic to like write it down. They're translating from English to something else.
Look at the blizzard! You got a lot of snow on your window there? Run that windshield wiper at least. That's lazy that you can't flip a little lever. That's dumb! Stop it! It had snowed less than 1 inch the night before this. That should have been easy to remove. Hey, Toyota! You got a bunch of snow on your roof. Clean it off now.
I will discreetly drop by every now and then.
Whoa! Shit, look at all that snow! That's postal service for you. Oh look, it's a Jeep thing, and yeah, this guy has a bunch of snow in his car too. Yeah, those windshield wipers is not going to remove. Hey, some fell off. Yeah, running those windshield wipers that fast is not going to clear snow off the roof. It doesn't work that way. I hate to say it. Sorry. Oh, look at all that snow! Ah! If you can't reach that high, get a car that's smaller and snow's flying from the power lines onto me now. Look at all the snow on the Hyundai! What are you doing? Driving like that! You can't do that! That's gonna fall off of one big sheet, it seems like, and blind the person behind you.
Oh. And from a cross-section map he had been given,
avalanche!
Cost would be computed not in tens, but in hundreds of millions of dollars. The total cost of the road
Nissan driver!
Borders of New York City afterworld with shards of broken glass that once had been big ornamental mirrors.
Lizard!
The stuffings from the armchairs.
Holy crap, look at that screwbaroo. It's like you didn't even try. And by the way, it snowed yesterday. You had 2 days to get rid of it. But you didn't for some reason.
Motorists frequently spend 40 minutes traversing the 2.5 miles from one side of the island to the other. The plot.
Alright, if I were to grade that Honda's effort on snow removal, I will give it a D-. It kind of sort of failed, but and look, it's blown off now. What do you know? And of course there's a Mitsubishi in the other lane, and of course we get this Toyota. That's another D-. People just don't care and they're lazy and they don't want to clear snow off their cars for some reason, even though it's kind of the law to do that around here. Now you see all these cars driving by, some are a similar height to this thing in front of me, yet all of them are cleared off of snow. If they can do it, you can do it too! Why haven't you? Oh look, and it's all falling off now. What a surprise. Oh, look at all that snow!
With some certainty that rapid transit law.
Clear off the rear window. The rest of the car looks fine, but not that. How do you? And you've got snow blowing off too. And nope. Lizard! Look at all the snow flying off. Even more snow's flying off. Yep, look at all that snow. Now let's end this little wintry odyssey ragging on the Prius because, well, we all hate those things. They don't clear off snow? Well, because Prius. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.